Hello everyone and welcome to this very special video. Today, well, first of all, I would like to thank everyone for the amazing wishes that you wrote on the comments on the last video, which was on August 30th, so yesterday. Well, yesterday for me at the time of this recording. Thank you very much, and hopefully you guys like the new additions that we're gonna have here in the channel. Those are gonna be permanent additions from now on. So not only am I about to give away the 10 ZBrush courses that I mentioned at the end of the last video, but the giveaways that we're gonna have for the fan of the month, the comment of the month, or the mailing list of the month, the fan of the month, and the contest are gonna be up in the next couple of days. I'm gonna give you more details tomorrow about the contest. So yeah, let's jump onto the giveaway. So the way we're gonna do this, it's actually the first time I do this, so bear with me. Random YouTube comment picker. I tried this one a couple of days ago and it worked quite nice. So this is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna navigate real quick to our video, the video that we uploaded yesterday, or last video, which was the special giveaway video. At the time of this recording, we have almost 1,000 views, which I'm super honored about, and 223 comments. Some of them are of course replies, but here we go. So we just place this here. We're gonna filter duplicate users, so no doubles here, and we are gonna write this thing right here. So as you can see, we have 120 unique entrants to this giveaway, and we're gonna do this 10 times. 10 lucky winners will get access to the ZBrush 2022 course. Now, how is this gonna work? Very easy. I'm gonna show you right now the winners. We're gonna go through them, and at the end of the video, if you are one of the lucky winners, make sure to send a email to the next to the contact form, which I believe. I'll find it in just a second after we're done with the giveaways. I think you could also send a message directly here through what's the word? Through YouTube. But if not, don't worry. We'll find a way to contact you guys and give you your free ZBrush course. So yeah, let's start. And the first one, our first winner is Gunjan Mandal. His message was, "Happy birthday, Sarah. Learn a lot from your videos and Annaline's source course." Well, now you're gonna learn even more, my friend. I'm gonna create a little bit of a notepad here so that I can write the names, and we don't have any cheaters. I know you guys don't cheat, so don't worry. But Gunjan Mandal, if you're seeing this, then congratulations, you're our first winner. Please contact us so that we can give you access to your ZBrush 2022 course. Let's go with the next one, and it's gonna be... Now that's super weird. I promise this is not set up, guys. I super promise. I don't know what the odds are of having the same person win twice, but don't worry, he's not gonna win again. Let's do it once more. Umang Shukla, my friend, you are the second winner. We're gonna write it right here. Again, I promise I'm not making anything here. I know that was super weird, believe me, but that was just a coincidence. So Umang says, "Happy birthday, bro. Very inspired by you and your teaching, and it will be helpful to get ZBrush 2020 course to start something new." Well, there you go. Now you have something new to learn, my friend. Let's go with the next one. And the next one is Maria Carvalho. I believe we saw your portfolio a couple of months ago, Maria. So if you want to brush up on some ZBrush knowledge, then there you go. Happy birthday, Abraham. It's your birthday and we get the gifts. Yeah, that's right. I also got some gifts as well, so I'm happy. Thank you so much for this channel. In the past year, I have learned so much. I wish you more and more success. Well, thank you very much, Maria, and congratulations on winning one of the ZBrush 2022 courses. Let's do another one. Majuk Vanerji, he says, "Happy 30th birthday, man. I first found about Nextdude from the Intro to ZBrush mini course, and I've been a subscriber ever since. Love your courses. Keep them coming." They are coming. More courses are coming, my friends. So Majuk, congratulations. You are our fourth winner. Let's go with the next one. The next one is Roma Song. "Happy birthday, mate. Thanks for your job." You are welcome, my friend. And Roma, congratulations, you are the fifth winner. We're halfway through the winners. Let's do one more. And we have Edgar Ibarra. "Happy birthday, dude. May the force be with you." May the force be with you too, Edgar. I think you are from Mexico. Let's go with the next one. This is the seventh one. Marcel J. "Happy birthday, man. Keep up the awesome work." Thank you, Marcel. Thank you for your wishes, and yes, we will keep. So Marcel, congratulations, you are the 7th winner. Lucky 7. Let's go, next one, and we get Or D. Gracias por el gran contenido que nos dan y los tutoriales. Agradece un montón. Feliz cumple, bro. That was in Spanish. It says, thanks for the great content you give us and all the tutorials. They are appreciated. Happy birthday. Thank you very much, Oreth, and congratulations, you are the 8th winner. Now we go for the last 2 winners, my friends. 2 more winners, and right now we have Oreth again. No. Well, you already won once. You can't win twice. Satyam Sharma. Satyam Sharma. By the way, I want to make that calculation because it's ridiculous that we got 2 names twice. So we have 120 contestants. That's 1 in 120. That's 0.00. And we multiply by 100. That's 0.83%. So less than 1% that this happens, but it happens. It's not much I can do about this. So Satyam, happy birthday, Abraham. I have learned many things from you and excited to see the participants work and also learn from them. Well, the participants, you probably mean the contest that we're gonna have. Again, I'm just polishing the last little bits of rules that we're gonna be using, and I'll let you guys know as soon as that's done. But we are gonna start the first contest in September, so this month, and it will run through September and October. So stay tuned. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And let's go for the final winner. The lucky number 10 winner is C. Tyan. Happy birthday, man. Thank you very much, C. Tyan. And there we go. So if your name is one of these lucky winners, please email us to, I believe it's our next to, what's the word? Our next to element. I think you can also message us. Give me just 1 second. Let me find the contact real quick. There we go. So if your name is right here, please send us an email at team@nextto.com. The title of the video or the subject of the video should be I am one of the winners or something like that. Abraham's giveaway, so that we know that it's about this giveaway. And please, we need you to include just evidence that you are the actual user. I know hopefully there's no one watching this video who wants to take advantage of this gift, because it's a gift to you guys, to the community. So just let us know, hey, for instance, I'm Citayan, maybe like a screenshot of your profile or something, just to make sure that it's you. And we'll let you know how to redeem your course, your CVerse 2020 Complete Guide to CVerse 2022 course. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I just wanted to let you guys know that we still have the Skillshare promotion going on, so make sure to check the description if you want to learn a little bit more about any of our courses. We'll be back tomorrow with more content, with more stuff to share, of course. And thank you very much. I know that it was really curious. Believe me, this is not trick. This is no, there's no, in Mexico we call it, there's no black hand or like cheating things going on. So the names that are here, you guys are the lucky winners. Be sure to leave comments, share, subscribe, participate in the channel, because for the next couple of months we're going to be giving away courses as well to anyone who's active, or well, not to anyone, to a lucky winner who's active here in the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for all the wishes. It's been great. Let's keep going. Let's keep the channel growing. Let's keep learning more about 3D and becoming greater artists. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye bye.